the Taylor Swift Cardigan song, arrangement by Pianella Piano, and I'm covering only first page. So I'm gonna start with left hand. So what you really need for this song is really steady beat. I would suggest use the metronome. So the first part, you place your hand F, C, F, and then you're just gonna repeat C and F. So it's gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the next measure, you move your hand to B flat octave and F would be in the middle. So again, you push 3 notes first and then just 2 notes, F and B flat. 2, 3 and 4 and. The next is A flat. 2 and 3 and 4 and then back to B flat. 2 and 3 and 4 and. So, and then the harmony will repeat. So first, so again, F minor, 2, 3, 4, then B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, then A flat. 2, 3, 4, back to B flat. 2, 3, 4. So that leads us to 4 measure. Then it goes back again to F minor. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, back again to B flat. And 2 and 3 and 4, again A flat. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so that gives us 8 measures before we switch it up. So the right hand has melody, of course, and the 16 notes I'm not playing evenly, I'm playing a long short. So long short means long short, long short. So when you go faster, it's gonna sound long short, long short. I mean long short, long, long. So it doesn't matter. So what we need for this hand is, you want to keep your thumb on E flat. We're gonna have 3 flats: E flat, A flat, B flat. So the first part, like I said, so it leads into the first beat, and here's 1. I'm gonna do just one hand. Then the measure 5 is set of triplets, and that could be tricky. So you need to play 6 notes, 16 notes on one beat. So you need to divide it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So start very slow, and I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we need is F, D, B flat, F, D, B flat. That's the first set. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's arpeggio downward. Then the second arpeggio will be from F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the last arpeggio is descending, gonna go from another F. So we have first F, 6, then second one, 6, and this is gonna be 6 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it leads into F minor 1. So then it's a following melody. Now the next, I'm stopping only for the arpeggios. The next one we're going to arpeggios upward, and then we're gonna have from D. Again, 6 60 notes, which is 2 triplets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're starting from D. Tripala, tripala. The next set of triplet from B flat. Tripala, tripala. And then the last note of the last, it would be no triplets, it would be ta, and then we're gonna move down quickly to G, F, E, just like we begin the piece. So let me play again slowly, first 8 measures. So I'm gonna use metronome, and I'm gonna put metronome on 50, maybe 40. I'm gonna put metronome 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next part is left hand. We have E flat, then B flat. And then after the 3 notes, I'm gonna jump up to G, B flat, E flat, and this chord I will be divided by bottom, top, top. So here you go. So 1, then jumping to E flat, G, sorry. E flat, see, I got distracted. I looked at the window and got distracted. Okay, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the next one, B flat octave. Only 2 notes, not 3 like an E flat. Then we move up to F, B flat, and D. And again, I'm gonna rock it. Bottom, top, F, B flat, D, F, B flat, D, F. The following is A flat octave, 1, and here we have A flat major chord, A flat, C, E flat, A flat, C, E flat, A flat, C, E flat, A, and back to B flat octave, D, F, B flat, D, F, B flat, D, F. Measure 14, we're sticking with F octave, and guess what? I'm gonna repeat the F that I just pushed with my thumb. I'm gonna move to my pinky, and here's the F minor chord. I almost played major, so you need an A flat. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so 2 more measures. B flat, again I move my hand quickly, F, B flat, D, F, B flat, D, F, B flat, D, F, and the last one in this page is A flat, and I move up to E flat, A flat, C, E flat, C. A little bit different than previous. It's inversion. So I would do hands separately, slowly first. So now I'm gonna play my right hand from the second half with metronome. So actually, no sense of playing. So you need G, then B, and then it's going to go very quickly to B flat and F. Then you repeat again, and then the next is B flat, E flat, then 4 B flat, F. The next measure you're gonna stay B flat, F, and go to E flat. If you notice, my thumb is constantly holding B. I had not switched. Then again, still holding my B flat, F, G, F. Now finally I'm moving to A flat and E. Now the next measure, I'm gonna keep my thumb on A flat. Oopsie. Okay, so let me go back again to the second half. So G, and then I move B flat, thumb, 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and then that brings us to measure 14. Then we have triplets. On triplets, I suggest to go triple, triple, then I move down to G, triple. So I'm gonna repeat this one more time. Triple, triple, triple. Now measure 15. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and then the last measure is first beat is resting, and then we're back to triplets. So one, not 1 and I'm gonna do triple, triple. So triple, 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 triple. So I'm gonna put slowly into both hands. I don't know how good I was explaining into this one, but I did my best. All right, any questions? Let me know.